All right. So what we've done is we've made two circles. Boys are on the inside, girls are on the outside. And they are standing across from each other. The first thing they did right there was introduce themselves. And then they told their favorite thing that they like to do on the playground. Now my boys' inner circle is going to take one step to the next person. Boys, rotate. Thumbs up if you now have a new partner. All right, go ahead, introduce yourself and say your favorite thing on the playground. All right, boys, rotate again. Thumbs up if you've got a new friend. Awesome. Go ahead, introduce yourself and say your favorite thing on the playground. All right, let's rotate, boys, one more time and introduce yourself to another new friend.
Hi, my name is Gary.
Great, and that's how we'll do our icebreaker today in Team Huddle.